Thinking of starting a business that combines innovation with technology? A 3D printing business might be your perfect fit. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of starting your own 3D printing business right here in Malaysia. Malaysia has become a hub for creative industries, and 3D printing is rapidly evolving in sectors like manufacturing, design, healthcare, and education. Starting a 3D printing business means tapping into a growing market where customization and rapid prototyping are in demand. Once you have your setup, marketing your 3D printing business is key. Leverage social media, collaborate with local businesses, and showcase your unique capabilities through a strong online presence. Building partnerships with industries like architecture, automotive, and fashion could give your business the edge it needs to succeed. With the right tools, a niche market, and effective marketing strategies, your 3D printing business in Malaysia could become a game changer in the industry. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's make your dream business into reality.